Hello guys, welcome to Chess Lovers. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a very important game that show the sportsmanship in chess. Guys, this game is played by Grandmaster Pentala Hari Krishna and Grandmaster Ian Nepo. And guys, this game is play in St. Louis Rapid and Blitz Championship, and it is the fifth day game of this event. So guys, without wasting your time, let's see the game. Here Pentala Hari Krishna play with white pieces and Ian Nepo play with black pieces, and Pentala Hari Krishna start the game with e4. Black replies with c5, Sicilian defense. Now here white play knight to f3, d6, now d4, c captures d4, queen captures d4. Now it is a Sicilian defense checkerboard variation. Here black play knight to f6, now bishop to e2, knight to c6, then queen to e3 and g6. Both players developing their pieces. And guys, in this game there is a nothing that is interesting about tactics, or you can say position. In this game you can see the sportsmanship, that is more important than winning the game. So guys, here in further game white done his castle. Now bishop to g7, rook to d1. Now black's done the castle h3, preventing that bishop for g3 square. Now here play knight to d7, then knight to c3, then here black play b6, planning to fianchetto the bishop. Here white play rook to b1, then bishop to b7. Now knight to d5, planning some attack using his knight. Now rook to c8, maybe trying to doing something interesting in c file. Now white plays c5, now e6, attacking that d5 square knight. Now knight to c3, then queen to e7, then b3, then rook f to d8. So guys, as you can see that the game is equal, there is no advantage of anyone. Here white play bishop to b2, now knight to c5, both players reshuffling their pieces. Now knight to b5, maybe he is trying to do something. Here bishop captures b2, rook captures b2, now a6, kicking that knight. Now knight to c3, then knight to e5. Black offers the knight exchange. Here white play rook b2 d2, making his battery in d file. Now knight captures f3. Here bishop captures f3, e5. Now bishop to g4, attacking that rook. Now rook to b8. Here white play knight to d5. Now bishop captures d5, c captures d5, then b5. So guys, the game is now in a critical position, but you can say no one is in any kind of advantage. But if you think about the positional advantage, okay, no one is in any kind of piece advantage. But if you think about the positional advantage, then white have some positional advantage. And if games goes in the end game, then in end game bishop is better than knight, so white is in a better position. Here white play b4, attacking that e5 square knight. Now a4, rook to c2, and here black play knight to b6. So guys, this is a critical position, and we are talking about the Pentala Hari Krishna's move. Here Pentala Hari Krishna play rook to c7. Guys, can you think about this move? there is no explanation for move, because here queen captures c7 is easily possible, and there is no tactics, or you can say any kind of interesting variation from here. So guys, Pentala Hari Krishna, he made a mistake here, or you can say Pentala Hari Krishna did a mistake by misclick. It is a misclick by Pentala Hari Krishna. Or guys, here at this position, Ivan Nepo shows the sportsman spirit, and he offers the draw. So guys, here at this position, Ian Nepo offers the draw. He understood the misclick and offers the draw to the Pentala Hari Krishna, and the Pentala Hari Krishna accept the draw. So guys, if you see the end result of the St. Louis Rapid and Blitz Chess Championship, you will see the in the scoreboard, Ian Nepo wants only half point to win the $27,000 prize amount, but he don't recognize it, and offers draw to the Pentala Hari Krishna, because he shows the sportsman spirit is more important than the winning or the prize amount of money. Sportsmanship is a main ethic of the any sports game. So guys, it is a very great or a big lesson for the our chess world. So guys, this is the, and I'm it is the first game in my whole life I see this kind of sportsman spirit in chess. So guys, chess is a very beautiful and a very interesting game, and that kind of movement in chess makes chess special. So guys, that is the video, and guys, if you want to play a live chess with chess lovers, then join our Telegram channel, chess lovers 9702. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching the